everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today we're making a super simple barbecue recipe. The ingredients you will need are 1 whole onion sliced, 1 pound of pork tenderloin, half a cup of your favorite sugar-free barbecue sauce, and 1 can of beef broth. Yes, I know, this looks more like chicken broth because it is. I mistakenly grabbed chicken broth instead of beef broth at the grocery store, but no worries, we're gonna use this for today. But the best flavor is gonna be with the beef broth. It's gonna give you a bolder flavor, so definitely go for the beef broth. If you don't have canned broth, this is about almost 2 cups of broth. All right, and the cooking utensil I'm gonna use today is a slow cooker. This is a slow cooker that has been passed down in my family since the 1970s. So yeah, I think I need an upgrade on it, but it'll do the job for today. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the onions in the bottom of the slow cooker. We don't need to sear it or anything. Of course, I can't do that in my old school slow cooker. And then we're gonna put the pork tenderloin straight in there. I trimmed off all the visible fat that I could. And then we're going to lightly mix the barbecue sauce with the broth and then add it to the slow cooker. So just give it a quick swirl. Add it to the slow cooker. I have this set up on a low heat and we're gonna cook it for 6 to 8 hours. And that's it. I'm gonna cover it real quick and I'll see you back in 6 hours. Now that the barbecue pork has been cooking for about 7 hours, I'm gonna pull it out. So I'm going to remove the pork and then shred it and then mix with the leftover barbecue sauce. Okay, now that I've shredded everything, I'm gonna transfer it to this bowl right here. I've got some onions in there, but not the whole onion, so it's okay if a few pieces come in, but I just took the pork mostly. Let me remove this cutting board. And then you just mix it up with the barbecue sauce to taste. Let's start there and see how that looks. Okay. And there you have it. Very easy pulled barbecue pork. I'm gonna grab a plate so that you can see it better and you can use this for any recipe that you desire. And thank you so much for joining us for another series, and I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.